YUSHAIZAN, and today we will be making pH indicator with red cabbage. Let's go. So actually I planted one of these. However, 1 week it was in the refrigerator for 1 week and I totally forgot about it, hence it rotted, and what I can salvage is just this much. It's about like just the head, like just a little bit. So I went ahead and buy some, while these were gifted by my grandfather because he owns some in his garden, so he gave it to me. Hence, let's see what we can do with it. Let's go. Okay, first we will be talking about the costing. So this one, I bought it from the store and it cost me about 1 ringgit and 25 cents, I think. And as you can see, some of it rotted. So what about this? Got from my grandfather, so obviously he's gonna give it for free. Hence, it's free. It's 0 ringgit. Mine, the one I planted, so it's also cost about 0 ringgit because I asked my grandfather for seeds, and this is whatever I can salvage. So 0 ringgit also. Water, tap water, and the heat induction plate that we are using probably cost about 0, maybe 5 cents for the electric bill, so it's not much, I guess. So it's basically 0 also. So overall costing would be about 1 ringgit and 25 cents. Let's go. Let's start. Okay, so we will be starting by cutting the red cabbage, so into small pieces so that the purple juice, we want as much purple as possible, so chop it nice. Use knife with caution, very sharp, although this one seems to be very dull. Okay, we need a bit more effort. My gosh, that is hard. Let's put it in the pot. In case you are wondering if we will be throwing out these extra bits, maybe not. This will be my salad for the day, basically my food, because you can eat it, so why waste such good food, right? Let's continue. Easier than before because I sharpened the knife already. So how much red cabbage do you really need for this? Not much. I think 1 should be enough actually. But since I am making about 2 of this bottle, so we'll take a little bit more. Oh god. Okay, so you can blend this with a little bit of hot water so that you get more of the purple color that you're looking for. But since my blender is actually broken, it won't even seal tightly, so it was spilling mess everywhere. So we will just be boiling this with hot water, some of the hot water so that the color seal up. And we will be boiling this for about 15 to 20 minutes to get the color of this out. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we are waiting for the stove to be hot because this is electric, so it's gonna take another 20 minutes. What? Hence, I prepare some hot water in advance so that we can speed up the process. So just put hot water, and when this is hot, please be careful. Just enough to soak the red cabbage. I think we'll add more later, but for now this is okay. Let's wait.
Solution instead of litmus paper. Although if you want to save more of the costing, you could make a litmus paper, but since I don't really have a great place to store it, hence I'm gonna be making the solution only, and it's more fun to see the solution rather than the litmus paper. So that's what we're doing now. If you want to see it, it's purple already. That's great news. I thought it would work.
We will strain the water now. The pool is hot, although this one is not really hot. It's still hot water, so you gotta be careful. Okay, smells like cabbage. What you're left with is very purple water. So gotta wait for it to cool down. Let's wait. So to test whether this is working or not, we will conduct an experiment first to make sure the pH indicator actually works. So let's begin. It's pretty purple, right? If you can see it. So let's be mindful. Okay, so we will conduct a test to make sure this works. So this is the original color, so we will keep this as to see the color changes. Okay, first of all, we will use vinegar to see. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It's turning red, which means it's acidic. Next, we will try washing powder. So let's try it. Turns green, which means it's base. Next, we will try toothpaste. Does it turn slightly blue? Maybe, maybe not. slightly bluish. Okay, and then we have hand soap. Slight changes in color. So I think that is all for the test. So as we can see, the pH indicator worked just fine, and so after waiting for this to cool, so we can put it in this bottle. It has been sterilized with hot water so that it doesn't have any cross-contamination. Okay, that is all from me, I think. Thank you for watching. So, fair warning if you're making this at home. This can be stored in refrigerator and it will last up to 1 week, or else it will last only about 2 weeks before bacteria or mold might grow. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna send this, but hey, I guess we'll work it out. So yeah, I did make this about a day or two before sending it. That's why I said I forgot about it, because you need to make it. It's for 1 day or 2 day use, and then it's gone. And then you need to remake it again. Yeah, so store it in fridge so it lasts longer, a week. But so before I forget, we adjust the camera first. Okay, you can also use any vegetable that look purple or blue, such as onions, beetroot, what is it called, eggplants, or some fruits that leave off color blue, that would be blueberries. That also work. Also yeah, I don't know what it's called in English, so I think that will just be it. So yeah,